guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be testing one no glue slime ingredient test-ish kind of, but the only bad thing is that it takes like 7 days. You have to let it sit for like about 7 days or like 5 days. So this is going to be the part 1 because I'm not going to be recording for 5 days. God knows that too. So, the ingredients you'll be needing is the Pantene shampoo. It is, I'll just get the ingredients and show you guys. So I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I came back with the ingredients and this is the ingredients you need. So again, this is a no glue one. This is one way that I'm testing, seeing if it works. No glue slime recipe. So, and no borax too. So this is, you're going to be needing the Pantene Sheer Volume Shampoo. This is a really thick one, so this is why I really recommend this one. So you should really use this one. Next, we're using the Soft Soap Wild Blast and Lime. And also, guys, this is not my idea. I got this from JSH DIY, but she used the Soft Soap Watermelon hand soap. It needs to be hand soap. Then we need some salt. Food coloring is really optional, but in her video said to use liquid food coloring, not gel. So I'm using liquid. Next, you'll need some water, a bowl to mix in, and something to mix with. So guys, like I said, you're going to be needing this to sit for a couple of days. I'm going to be letting it sit for 5 days, but you can let it sit for more. In her video, she let it sit for 7 days. So, and it worked in her video. I just don't know if it's going to work in mine, because I think she's a fake. Okay, so I'm just adding my Pantene shampoo into my bowl. Sorry about that, just fell. Guys, I think there's an earthquake right now. Oh god. I think that was a short little earthquake because that's happened before. So I'm just gonna add a little bit because I don't know if this works or not. Guys, look. Do this. I do this. Look at this. Really thick. I'm gonna add 5 pumps of the hand soap. This is pretty thick as well. Not as thick as the shampoo though, I'm gonna have to say that. I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring. I'm gonna add 1 drop. This is blue, by the way. I think you guys know that. Now we're going to be adding some of the water. Okay, that's about enough. I don't want to add too much, guys. I think I added too much. I'm just gonna add some soap. I'm gonna add some hand soap. Now I'm gonna add some more shampoo. I really hope this works, guys. I just want it to work. Now I'm going to be adding my salt. You're going to be adding a good amount of this. Add a little bit at a time. Okay guys, I definitely can tell that it's thickening up. Look. Shape this. So that's what it looks like right now, guys. Add some more salt. I'm gonna get it all off this, off all the sides. So I think this is gonna work. I hope it works. And Jason's DIYs video, it worked really good. She said it was a little sticky, but yeah. She let it sit for 7 days, so I'm gonna let it sit for 5 days, guys. And I don't have good patience, so yeah. Let's see how this turns out. So guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 because I can't be recording for 5 days. 6 days, I don't know how much. I think I might do 6 because she did 7 and it worked out really good. So I'm just gonna let this sit and let's make a little batch of slime. And then we'll end the video. So I'm just gonna make white with white glue, guys. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm gonna see, guys, if you didn't know, there's this Maddie Ray's clear glue that my mom bought for me, and it doesn't work that well. Like, it does work pretty well if you add a lot of baking soda and a little bit of contact lens solution. Like, this is the product that it makes. Sorry guys for changing the camera angle, but this is what it makes. It is foggy because I just made it today, a couple of minutes ago, like an hour ago. So it is foggy, but it clears up. It clears up, and it says ingredients: Maddie Ray slime clear glue, baking soda, and saline solution. Directions: pour 1 cup of Maddie Ray's clear slime glue into a bowl. Add 1 to 2 pinches of baking soda. Mix slowly until dissolved. Add 2 squirts of saline solution. Mix constantly until slime starts to form. Continue to add additional saline solution until you reach your desired consistency. Now you have an awesome crystal clear slime. Add pearl powder or Maddie Ray slime coloring. Okay, it doesn't say how long it takes, but for me it usually takes a week to make it crystal clear. Don't mind my ugly nails. They're just getting ugly because I've been getting slime in them and like food and stuff. So let me get the other part because I made a big batch of this. Oh, actually guys, so yeah, we're going to make 2 slimes. We're going to make a jiggly slime, and we're going to be seeing if we can mix the Maddie Ray slime with Elmer's white glue. So this is how big, it's really stretchy guys if you add a lot, because I didn't have much saline solution. I don't have any more left. So I added a pretty good amount of this, and like literally a little bit of that, and I made this big batch. I compare that to my hand. It's really heavy too. Compare it to my head. And guys, my head's not that big, but yeah. Guys, compare it to this little smiley face on my shirt. Like, guys, this is big. and it feels really nice texture. Let's hear the crack. Let's hear the pokes. Good pokes, guys. I'm just gonna put this that contraption to the side and wait for 5 days. But right now, since this video is really short, I'm just gonna make some slime. So guys, yeah, I recommend this glue, but I like Elmer's better. I recommend if you use a little bit of baking soda. I mean, a lot of baking soda and a little bit of saline solution. Because borax doesn't work with it, it just makes it to like a bouncy ball. So, yeah. Just have to go buy more saline solution. Because you can't just add, I don't know if you can just add just baking soda. But I know that you can add a lot of baking soda and a little bit of saline solution, and it works just fine. It makes this really stretchy slime. You could stretch it more, but I'd just be out of frame. So it's really stretchy, not even sticky. Like I can try to make it be sticky, but try to make it be sticky. But guys, there's no way to make this slime. So this is a pretty good glue. I just still recommend if you're on a budget and can't afford Elmer's, which I totally can, but it's just that when the first came out, my mom tried to order the Elmer's clear glue on Amazon, and they were sold out. So she bought me that clear glue, and it works pretty good. Not my favorite, but. And so I just found out that you could make this kind of stretchy slime before. Because before I would make like not good clear, because it wasn't that good because of the glue. But now I know. So now it makes really good stretchy slime. Okay, so right now I'm going to be making a jiggly slime. So I'm just going to go back to my regular camera angle. Okay guys, we're back on this angle. Look at it way better, but so yeah. I'll be adding this bad boy. Pretty heavy because I haven't made slime in a long time with it. I've been making like different kinds of slime and stuff. I've been making with this bad boy. Oh, I just scratched myself. Oh. Yeah, these nails are like. Yeah. Go watch my vlog on It's Just Me and Zuli. It's just me and Zuli. Me and my friend Mia's new channel. You guys definitely should go watch it. You can see us putting on these nails or having these nails on our vlog together. So you definitely should go watch it. Subscribe, give it a big like, and hit that bell button because it would do you wonders. Like, hit that like button and this channel and Mia McGowan and DIYs with Mia and It's Just Me and Zuli. Or if you don't hit the like button, you'll get karma. Trust me, it's happened to me before. So guys, I'm just going to be, okay. I need to take the lid off. Take it off. I'm just going to put it right there on the side. And I'm going to be pouring it because we're going to make some jiggly slime. I love jiggly slime, guys. Just trying to get the little glue out. I got it out, but it ended up going. Okay, now, whoopsie, sorry guys, that just fell. My camera just fell. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some water because this is going to be jiggly slime. Going to be getting my mixing utensil. going to be mixing this. Going to be adding some blue color because blue is one of my favorite colors. I like blue and red, but blue is my main color. Sorry, sister, don't get mad at me because my sister is she loves blue. Her room is painted blue and everything and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be painting my walls too. I think I might paint my walls I don't know what color, I want it to be like a tealish baby blue kind of, and then I want zigzags in the middle with being metallic, like a grayish metallic color. And more glue because I added too much water, guys. Water. What do you guys say, water or water? Because some people say water. Like people from Philadelphia and Philly and stuff. Guys, I used to love watching BF versus GF, but then they broke up. It was a sad day for all of us guys, especially me and my sister, because we love those people. Jesse and Gina, best. Okay, guys, it's forming into Jiggly slime. Comment down below if you ever make Jiggly slime, because I kind of want to know. This is how I make it. Sometimes I make my Jiggly slime kind of weird. It's not always like this, just it came out like that right now, so yeah, I have a big itch. I used to not itch myself this much before I had these nails, but now that I do, I'm like itchy all the time because I like the way it feels. Like, and then when I talk about being itchy, I get itchy. But when I don't talk about it, I'm not itchy. So weird. Fact of the day. Comment down below how many times you've had acrylic nails or like press-on nails or like glue-on, press-on, whatever they're called. Okay, I'm praying I don't get this on my carpet because I've already gotten a little bit on my carpet right now. Just like a little bit of little blue water because the water turned blue. I have a feeling this slime's not going to turn out that good. Just going to put it in some more water. Because I made a Jiggly's blue slime clear. I made a Jiggly. Okay, yeah, it's not clear. I mean, it's not good because I got too impatient and added just a lot of borax at a time. But it's all good because I can just fix this. What do you guys do? Do you guys add lotion, baby oil, hair gel, or put it in hot water? I do lotion, hair gel, baby oil, and hot water. I do all of them. Okay guys, so I got it all kneaded just right now, but maybe that's because I added loads borax at a time because I'm very impatient. Hashtag fact of the day if you didn't know. I think how many times have I said I'm impatient in this video? Because I'm pretty sure we're making this. I said I'm impatient. So go count and comment down below. Because I am not very patient. So you guys. See again, I just said patient again. And I just said it again. How many times have I said patient? It's driving me crazy. I do not want to say that word again. You know which word I'm talking about. No, you don't. Yeah, I'm talking about patient. See there again. Yeah, you're pushing my buttons. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But I don't care. See, Mia, if you wonder if I'm this crazy when I'm around you, and I'm just this crazy all the time, so yeah. I'm always this crazy, Mia. You should know that. You're like my BFF. Have an itch. Okay, not that stretchy, but I'm just gonna let it sit in that water. It's not warm water, but it's water to make it jiggly. Just wait for it to absorb. I feel like clear glue absorbs water way better than white glue. Just like my personal feeling. Just the way that I feel. This video is already 20 minutes long. Oh, baby Jesus. Why did I say oh, baby Jesus? Maybe because I was thinking of that something on Dr. Phil. This girl who thinks she's pregnant with baby Jesus, but she's just really fat. And then she also thinks that the singer Eminem is her dad, but he's not. So guys, yeah. So guys, I'm going to be making another video right now because I'm able to use flash earlier. So yeah, because my camera is dying. So I'm just going to make another video when my camera is charged. Because it is at, it says, I get like little warning things on my camera. And then it pauses sometimes. Because it says, warning, battery low power, going to stop. It says ending in 3 minutes. So we have 3 more minutes to make this video. We're just going to do my outro. So guys, this is the slime that we made today. And the other slime, but that slime is for another video. I'll come back to you guys in like 6 days to make that video. Like talking about like if it worked or not, the no glue. I don't think it's gonna work, guys. Comment down below what you think it is, if it's gonna work. And guys, I'm not gonna be posting on 4th of July and the day after, because on 4th of July I'm gonna be with my family. I might vlog it, but not sure. I'm still debating. And then I'm definitely not gonna post on Thursday, because I'm going to the Island Water Park with my aunt. So I can not post unless I just do post. I'm not, probably not, because my camera is not waterproof. But my sister's phone is. But I'm not going to use my sister's phone. I need my camera. And also my sister would never let me use her phone, so I guess it's kind of a win-win. Guys, so I'm just gonna let it absorb all this water. Probably gonna give this slime to my brother because he doesn't care what slime feels like. He just likes it. Or no, I'm gonna give this to my little cousin because she likes slime. But she doesn't like, she likes like jiggly and stuff like that. And she likes fluffy and she likes glow in the dark and stuff like that. And she likes regular slime, so she likes good or slime the best. She likes clear slime. She likes all the slimes that I give her and let her make. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video. Bye guys!